Welcome to my hometown, Carles, Iloilo. Settlers first arrived Syria 1846 and cleared an area at Punta Bulukawi, north of current Poblacion. Following an influx of settlers from Aklan and Antique, the settlement fell under Pueblo de Pilar Capiz. About 10 years later, the settlement was transferred to be lowland and renamed to Bajang. In 1860, the first attempt was made to convert the barrio into municipality, but the provincial government of Capiz refused. Because of this refusal, the town leaders petitioned the governor of Iloilo, Governor Jose Maria Carles, who approved the petition. On July 1, 1862, the new pueblo was inaugurated and renamed to Carles in honor of the governor. First Gobernadorcillo was Alejandro Buaye. On January 1, 1904, the Municipio de Carles was demoted from a status of barrio to the status of Barrio Balasan. The incident disheartened some Carleseños who migrated to other towns and provinces, but among those who stayed on were the strong-willed ones who struggled hard to make the Carles an independent municipality. Headed by Casimiro Andrada, the Carles separation movement succeeded in getting the approval of the Carleseños petition for separation from Balasan on January 1, 1920. Fidelio A. Ramos was appointed as the first municipal president of Carles. It was during the incumbency of municipal president Enrico Ilanga that the title of the municipal head was changed to municipal mayor and continued to be such until today. Carles is the northernmost municipality in the province and is 142 kilometers or 88 miles from the provincial capital, Iloilo City, 71 kilometers 44 miles from Rojas City, and 141 kilometers or 88 miles from the Calibo. A Hiligaynon term for fishing, pangisda pays tribute to the fishermen who braved strong waves, endured the heat and cold winds just to provide for the family and the community as well. It started initially with a street dancing depicting the activities of fishing industry. Special events include Bangkarera, Paindis-indis Puna Lambat or repair of the fishing nets, Paindis-indis Pakas Isda or fish preparation, Paindis-indis Bulad na Bagak sa kapel or drying, Paindis-indis Tilang Tikab or shell mussel picking, etc. An act declaring 2 parcels of the land situated within Sicogon Island, Municipality of Carles, in the province of Iloilo, a protected area with a category of wildlife sanctuary under the National Integrated Protected Area System, NIPAS, to be referred to as the Sicogon Island Wildlife Sanctuary, providing for its management and appropriating funds therefore.